when a new member starts with your team, a lot of people think, yes, I have a new member in my team. This is really exciting. I've done it. I've done what I need to do. Actually, this is where the real work starts. So in that moment, when that new person joins your team, this is when your work starts, not before. I know you might have thought it was before, but it's actually now. And so when they start, it's like a baby. They need your help, they need your support, they need you to be there and show them every step of the way. So rather than tell them, show them how it's done. Be there with them in every moment of the first week, of the second week, until they're actually able to start implementing things for themselves. So make sure that, you've been reaching out, you've been speaking to people, you've been asking them to come and work with you. When they come and work with you, make sure then you don't drop them like a hotcake. Make sure that you actually give them the support that they deserve, because they've chosen and trusted you to come and work with you in this business. So it's very important that you show them that they can trust you and that you're there and that you can show, not tell.